Alright guys, it took a while but we finally got there. Here is a demo of all of the Breath of the Wild runes and a switching mechanic all built in Unreal Engine 4. So here's the menu. It'll switch to whichever rune you leave highlighted. So let's go Stasis. Boom, freeze him. That's just a rudimentary hitting mechanic, and then send that flying like that. Let's do that one more time. Let's go. So I'm hitting it right now. It's kind of like arrows in Breath of the Wild, and then boom, just like that. So now we'll head over here. This plane here is marked as water. So if I switch to Cryonis, there we go. We've got some Cryonis pillars, and we can destroy those. They affect the physics objects. If I can put that underneath like that, I can climb on top of them like this. They also work on the walls and they pop out that way, and you can only have 3 at a time, so they start disappearing once you use too many. So beautiful. That is the Cryonis ability. Over here we've got Magnesis. So if I switch to Magnesis, can pick up metallic objects, anything that's been marked as metallic, tables, chairs, planes like this as well. Like that. I can't be bothered trying to climb up on that, but you can move these in and out like this by scrolling the mouse wheel. You can swing them around and smash stuff with them, throw them in the air, all of that. Over here we have remote bombs. We've got 2 for bombs. One of them is remote, one of them is cube, and one of them is sphere. I'm going to put images in the backgrounds of these later. That's why I haven't specified there, because the image will make it obvious. So this one, we've got a spherical bomb, and they send little cubes flying. They send them flying in inverse proportion to their mass. So if I try a remote one, like a cube one like this, yeah, you can see the bigger cubes like that don't get sent as far as the smaller ones like these little fellas. Boom, all the way over there. The bombs also break other bombs. They'll detonate each other or any other explosive objects like that. And we've also got these breakable walls over here like that. So that's it. That's all of it. That's all 4 runes. That's 4 runes. Can switch between them. You can not have any rune activated as well, and nothing will happen. But that's it. Like it's still got a little bit of tidying up to do. Like the Cryonis, I want to add like so you'd see with the Magnesis, it's got like the red post-processing and it highlights when you drag over an object like that. I'd like to do the same with Cryonis. I'd like the screen to be blue and then have the water highlight or something like that. With the Stasis as well, the other thing I need to do is make it so that it highlights stasis objects like that one before you even hit it. So this is so fun to do. But yeah, that's basically it. So tutorials will be coming soon. It might take me a while to get through them all because there is a lot of content, and it took me a while to put it together, so I'll try and revise it and understand it a lot so I can do nice, quick, concise tutorials. But I'm going to do a tutorial for each of them. We'll start with Cryonis, then Stasis, then Magnesis, then the remote bombs, and then we'll do the switching mechanic at the end. But yeah, by the end of it we'll have a full series of tutorials and a fully functioning Breath of the Wild rune system. So if you're excited for that, let me know, and I'll be back soon with a tutorial ASAP. I'm super excited to do this, guys, and I hope you are too. Peace out.